Hi, my name's Karen and welcome to my smoothie station. Today we are experimenting with some cucumber, kale, avocado, mint, and more. So come and check it out. About 2 cups of water and 2 cups of ice in my blender. I'm using a Ninja blender, which works really well. And I'm going to use some kale. I'm using freeze-dried kale just so I don't have to deal with all the moldy stuff in the fridge. So I'm just going to put about a cup in. Okay, now I'm going to add some cucumbers. Now these are fairly new, a new product for me, but look at this. This is also freeze-dried. I'm gonna put that in so I don't have to worry about the slimy, moldy cucumbers in the fridge. I put about a cup of that in. Then I'm gonna put some blackberries. So these are what the blackberries look like, also freeze-dried. Honestly, it just really helps. The flavor is amazing once it's refreshed. Okay, so now I have a mixture in here. This is a berry protein homemade mix. And I'm just going to put in a tablespoon of this protein powder. And now I have some mint, and this is also a freeze-dried mint, and I'm just going to put in a little bunch of mint. And then I have some frozen avocado, and they come in nice frozen little sections. Whoops. And I'm just going to put those in. Okay. And then last but not least, I'm going to add a little bit of collagen gelatin. So I'm just going to put in a little. And this is also a protein as well. All right, let's mix this up and see how yummy this works. Usually smoothies turn out really well. And we'll see how this one does. Okay, I'm gonna check. I think we might need a little bit more liquid. Yeah, it's pretty thick. I'm gonna add some more water. Okay, I'm just going to do a little taste test to see if we need anything else. I'm going to put in a little bit more mint. And I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla drops just to make it a little bit sweeter. Because really there's not a lot of sweetness, just a little bit of the blackberries. And I'm going to put in a pinch of sea salt. And I'm going to put in a little bit of the lemon powder. So this is a lemon drink mix, but there's no sugar added, so it's just the lemon. So it can work really well just as a replacement for lemon juice if you need. But a little bit of citrus added, I think will be just what it needs. Okay, so let's mix this up a little bit more. Okay, so this is gonna do it. Let's check this out. Here we go. deep purple. Cheers! Really, really good. Yum! If you like this video and you're interested in making this recipe, let me know in the comments. Subscribe, share, give me a thumbs up. And until next time, that's all. Have a thriving life. See you later. Bye.